I'd say probably Passover is still my favorite. That's when we would have our sort of biggest Jewish celebration of the year. There was also breaking the fast or the meal before Yom Kippur starts and stuff like that. But Seders were always pretty big in my family. A big element of the Seders for us is singing the tunes that my grandfather brought down with him from Russia. We still sing them to this day. It's rowdy, it's loud, we bang on the tables, and again, I never met him, but I'm his namesake anyway, and the tradition of the liveliness of the songs and the tunes is a big deal in our family, and that's sort of the only time of the year that we would get certain cousins together, and but we never did, all of Hallel or all of the Haggadah. It was more, let's read the important stuff. Let's get to the songs, and then let's eat. Very Jewish value to eat a lot that night.
Would you mind sharing a niggin with us?
Oh, sure, yeah. Dizabin Abba Bisre Zuze Chad Gadya, Ve'atashu and Ra, Dayakla Gadya, Dizabin Abba Bisre Zuze Chad Gadya. That was one. Then we go, Kilo Nae. Kilo yae adir bi meluchata kahalacha letika v'yomru lo lecha ulecha lecha gilecha lecha aflecha lecha Adonai hamamlacha kilo nae and they're all kind of rowdy like that, and you'd bang on the table and the things would shake and it'd get faster and you'd speed up towards the end, and it was great.